Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now, jack the front, support the car on stands, and remove the wheel so you can reach the sway bar link. Use a breaker or a long bar to initially loosen the top and bottom nuts while the vehicle is stable. This saves effort when the link is under load. Once loosened, clean the two mounting bolts with a wire brush and spray penetrating oil to ease removal. Make sure to keep track of any washers or spacers for reassembly. With the nuts loosened, hold the sway bar link stud using the internal hex or an open wrench and back off the nut. This prevents the stud from spinning and damaging threads. Once freed, separate the link from both the sway bar and the control arm. If seized, use a penetrating agent and light hammer taps on the nut. Avoid excessive force that can twist the bar. Compare the old link to the new one, match direction, length, and bushing faces, so the replacement installs exactly as intended. Install the new link the same orientation as the original. Insert studs, seat bushings, and start nuts by hand so threads align. Once both ends are hand-tight, torque the nuts to Honda's specification using a torque wrench. This prevents over-tightening and bushing per load. Refit the wheel, lower the car, and torque lug nuts in a star pattern. Finally, test drive at low speed over bumps to confirm the clunk is gone. If you hear noise or C-play,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.